Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Digit Save to Spend feature. Now Digit Save to Spend feature helps you to manage everyday spendings by showing exactly how much is saved to use, after of course accounting for bills, goals and savings. It's like a mini budget in your pocket. So what exactly does Save to Spend do? First, it analyzes your income, expenses, and savings activities, and then it subtracts upcoming bills and savings transfers, and then displays the amount that you can spend freely without hurting your financial progress. Let me show you how to use it. So first thing you got to do is open the Digit app. So launch the Digit app on your iOS or Android devices. Once you're in, tap the Home tab. Locate the Save to Spend balance, usually displayed prominently. Then understand the breakdown. So you can tap on the Save to Spend number to see what has been subtracted. Upcoming bills, active savings transfers, as well as any recurring subscription that Digit tracks. You can use it to guide spending. So before making non-essential purchases, you want to check your Save to Spend. Treat it as your daily spending limits to stay within your budget. Tips to maximize this. So first, link your main checking account so that it accurately tracks income and expenses. You also want to keep your bills and goals up to date, so Save to Spend adjust accordingly. You can also use it alongside alerts or savings reminders for a full picture of your finances. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.